Hey everybody, welcome to the video. This is Engraving Profits. I appreciate you purchasing the course. I think you're going to do very well with it. So this is kind of an introduction and onboarding video just to get you started. Our goal is to get you profitably selling engraved jewelry. Okay, we're going to walk you through it step by step. Nothing is going to be left unturned. You're going to watch over my shoulder as I create everything, do it, walk you through it, and then you'll be able to go back through the videos and do it on your own. So how are we going to do that? Well, by following the course. Everything is documented, every step, every single piece. So what do you do first? What I suggest is watch all the videos and then take notes along the way. And then what I would do is go back, and as you're going through a section, just have a video kind of on, if you have two monitors, have a video on one monitor and be running whatever you're running on the other. That's probably the best way to go about it. So now the next question you're probably asking is, where can you get support? And I'm going to provide it on the free PPC Coach group for all support. All right. So where is that group? Well, most of you are already members, but if you're not, just go to facebook.com/groups/PPC Coach group. And it's free. It's open. There's no charge for that. But that's where I'm going to provide the bulk of the support. Okay. So if you email me, it might be a little bit delayed compared to just posting in there, because there's a lot of knowledgeable people in there and a lot of people that have bought the course as well. So when you get your first sale, please post in the group any success you have. I want everyone to be a success story with this. This course, I want this course to be the best one you've ever bought. Okay, so you can tell I'm doing this too. There we go, fixed it. I want this course to be the best one you've ever bought. End of story. So if you're ready, I want you to get going, get in there, watch all the videos. This is the first one of many. They're short. I try and keep them, the longest one I think is 20 minutes, but I try and keep them in short chunks so that you can watch them and then apply what you learn after you've gone through the whole course once. So if you have any questions, go to the group, get support. We're going to talk about mindset a lot. We're going to talk about the system. We're going to talk about everything. Then you're going to see the technical side, the nitty gritty. It's all here. So thank you for purchasing, and let's begin.